All right, so we're in New Orleans on Canal Street. So I'm decided to do a little challenge. Let's pretend I only have my phone. This is an iPhone 13. I know I'm way outdated, but let's see if we can get some good photos just using my phone as the camera. Step one, you want to clean off the lenses. And I'm gonna challenge myself to 5 photos. Let's see if we can make it happen. Let's go here. This. Okay. That's one. Okay, we're gonna try to get number 2 here quickly. Number 2. Kind of both low pictures, so we're trying to mix up with the next one. So it's turning out to be a little bit more difficult than I thought, but limiting myself to only 3 more photos has made me think a lot more. The first 2 I fired off really quickly, but these next ones I'm gonna take more time and try to capture the essence of where I am. All right, here we go. So I really wanted that one, but they stopped playing, which threw off my vibe. There's another band down here. Let's see if we can get a good shot of this. I don't know if I like it, but that's what we took. That's the challenge. That's number 3. 2 more to go. Cafe Du Mond's over here. Very famous spot. Let me see if I can get a good photo.
Beautiful model, y'all.
Number 4. So there's like these city bikes over here, and I'm thinking like a shot through the spokes of the bike. Let's see if we can make that happen. Yeah, I've been trying to wait for this pedicab to come through. Let's see if we can get this shot here.
It ain't the late night city it used to be. Oh, no, no, not anymore. Why is that?
All right. And that's our final photo right there. I wish I would have waited just a little bit longer, but that might come out pretty cool. All right, 5 photo challenge is complete. And all of these photos will be edited using Lightroom. Let me know what you think and which photo is your favorite. See you in the next one.